It was a lot harder than it looked. We were just trying to get a little pin out of something for the power lines, and the pole is a lot heavier, longer than you think, and it's a lot more unruly than you would think it is. Just, man.
In our environment, talent is everything. We try to provide, let's just say, this incoming generation with an understanding of what it means to work hard. You know, I will be honest with you, a lot of them never probably even started a lawnmower. So a lot of what we have to do is physical. A lot of what we have to do may be considered labor, but there are a lot of upsides to what we do as well.
It teaches us more about the electricity field, not just one side, like not just residential or commercial side. It also teaches us industrial, and we get to work with power lines, stuff like that. It broadens our ideas of what we want to do for work.
The company is massive, so there are a lot of roles, a lot of logistic things that goes into play when we do provide energy. For all the trucks you see, we have a department that services them.
This group of kids, this is their second year, so they get tired of hearing our voices. So I think it helps to reinforce some of the things that we've been teaching them, and it helps them to actually see someone that's doing it actively right now rather than hearing it from us who've done it in the past.
When I first started coming here, I didn't know anything about electricity, but they helped me get a job here, so I'm very happy for that. Yes, man.
We're a family here, and that's one thing that I have embraced, that we're able to, because we work long hours together. We make a lot of money together, and we help a lot of people. So it's a lifestyle, and I'm glad to be a part of it.